Probar 2D ships with a selection of rebar detailing standards with predefined shapes. These shapes are sufficient for routine work, but sometimes you want to modify them or create your own. The edit bar dialog is where shapes can be modified and created. The shape is defined by a list of nodes and vectors. Let's have a look at an example. I want a shape that looks like this. I find it easiest to sketch the shape and then decide where to start the definition. Generally, there is no right or wrong way to define the shape, but you can make it more convenient by carefully choosing the nodes. I will start with a simple shape and work from there. The first node is the insertion point. The code is used to make the bar straight, hooked, or filleted at the node. This shape requires 4 nodes. I can now define the vectors. Next, I need to assign a default value for each dimension, which will control how it displays. Finally, the cut length formula must be defined. After saving the shape, it will be available in the Add Bar dialog and I can use it in my drawing.